Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Uber Eats bicycle to car. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, there's a couple of different ways how we can do this. So I'm just going to run through the first way. So the first way, open up a web browser, go to Google and type in a change delivery method, Uber Eats, then hit enter. And then from here, it will say help.uber.com change delivery method, and then you'll be taken to this help page here, so you can have a quick read of this. So if you wish to change your mode of delivery, please submit the form below. So just go ahead and click on the update my vehicle model. If that page doesn't work, just simply contact Uber Eats support and let the support team know that you want to change your delivery style from bicycle to car. But one thing you got to take in consideration, so before making the switch, confirm that you and your vehicle meets Uber Eats requirements for car deliveries in your area. This typically includes having a valid driver's license, vehicle registration, insurance, and a vehicle that meets Uber's standards. And the second method of doing this is to just create a new account. But when you make the new account, choose car as your delivery option. So then basically you've got two accounts, one Uber Eats bicycle account and then the other Uber Eats car account.